మేల్కి 15 డిగ్రీ మేల్కి 5 డిగ్రీ మేల్కి 5 డిగ్రీ is normal 5 or 8 okay normal. For female it is around 15 or 16 okay 14 15 16 is normal okay appo surupa nechukone male ku 5 female ku 15 average average okay so this angle will disappear when he is flexing the elbow like this right flexion of elbow flexing the elbow the angle will be disappear right right okay we have uniaxial movement in the elbow joint, only flexion and extension, right? But that is not actually enough to do a particular task. This would be a pattern, right? You should try. You should do some task like this. Most of the works we do in this position only, not in supine position, in prone position only. We are like this. Sabrade, present it, you have to get it like this. ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಐವತ್ತು ಸೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸಾಪಿಡೋದು ಬಿಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು ಹಾಕಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮಾಡಿ ರೈಟ್ ಸೊ ಇದು ರೆಡ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇಂದ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ರೇಡಿಯಲ್ ನರ್ವ್ ರೈಟ್ mainly this proximal radial nerve joint is comprised within the elbow complex okay ligaments because of the ligaments and capsules these three joints share the ligaments and the capsules with each other right by means of radial collateral ligament by means of medial collateral ligament by means of annular ligament right it shares and it ellame சேர்ந்து fuse ஆகி பக்கத்துல soft tissue ஓட சேர்ந்து commence to form capsule right capsular ligament form so inside that we have synovial fluid synovial sac synovial fluid is there. This is synovial joint, right? It go radio-ulnar joint. What is the type of joint? Biaxial or biaxial? Axial, which axial? Uniaxial, right up. Uniaxial joint up. Yes, this is transverse axis, uniaxial joint, right? In which plane? In mid-prone position, in elbow 90 degree position there. That is coronal plane. Elbow extended position la, anatomical position la. What is this plane? Transverse, right? Transverse plane. And what axis? Almost vertical axis. Actually speaking, oblique. This is oblique. Again, the same one. When he is standing like this is upper, this is elbow, proximal radial nerve joint, distal radial nerve joint. Logically speaking, we have pronation and supination here, right? In the pronation and supination, it is not purely straight like this. It is not vertically straight like this. It is little bit deviated like this. One. Point number 2. Can you closely observe the movement according when he is trying to what is this action? It is going for pronation. How far it is moving here in the proximal radial nerve joint and how far it is moving here in the distal radial nerve joint. Can you look closely? This one is moving more. This one is only little bit. Right? That is because in the twisting நடக்கணும் suppose ரெண்டுமே ஒரே மாதிரி vertical axis liyo, horizontal axis liyo, transverse axis liyo இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா actually இந்த difference இருக்காது. It will be more rotating inside. But actually logically what is happening because of the anatomical position cross ஆகிறதுனால the joint இப்போ நான் பேசிட்டு இருக்கிறது மூணு பத்தி joint proximal radial nerve joint distal radial nerve joint இந்த joint-ஓட லைன் இங்க இருந்து இப்படி மார்க் பண்ணி பார்த்தோம்னா இதோட articulating axis and the articulating axis when we try to mark எப்படி சார் மார்க் பண்றது புரியல